Hi, good morning everybody. Since blueberries are in season, I bought 2 pints of them and I made some blueberry muffins the other day. I got the recipe off of allrecipes.com, but today I'm going to try and make it a little healthier. Well, actually a lot healthier. So what I have in here is 1.5 cups of whole wheat flour. And when you use whole wheat flour, it's good to put some cornstarch in there to soften it up some, because, you know, it is very hard. So I put like 2 teaspoons in there of the cornstarch. Okay, so that's 1.5 cups of whole wheat flour. I put 3/4 cup of white sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. So that's that, okay? That's the dry mixture. Mix that up well. Make sure that's mixed really well. Okay, then for our liquid ingredients, we're going to put 1 egg into a measuring cup. Okay, then we're going to put 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. I guess I should have put the oil in first, but whatever. Well, how much 1/3 is. Okay, vegetable oil. And 1/3 cup of milk. Actually, you're gonna put the milk. I'm using pure almond milk. Other thing, healthier, a lot healthier. And just fill that up. That should be, you should measure about 1 cup by now of liquid. Okay, so just put the milk in. Okay. Mix that up. Okay. So that's 1 cup of liquid. Okay, so you got your egg, 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, which you put in first, okay? Then drop your egg in there, and then fill up the rest to 1 cup with your milk. Okay, hopefully you're all using like almond milk or something. A lot healthier. Cow's milk. Okay, so we're going to mix that in. I already have my blueberries washed. Make sure you wash them, of course. Okay, so mix this all up. Oopsie daisy. Of course I make a mess. And as you can see, it's dry. So, shake up my milk. Put some more milk in there. Obviously don't want it dry. And it's raining here today. It's gonna storm. I'm taking Mikey out shopping today, so. You know, the whole wheat flour, you're gonna have to adjust. So a little more milk I'm putting in. Okay, that looks pretty good. Okay, so that's your muffin consistency, I would say. Mix it well. Drop in your blueberries. I have it's going to be more than 1 cup, I'm sure. I could measure it, I guess, for you. Just using, the whole pint. It's a little more, but okay. Not using white sugar anymore. So it calls for 1/2 cup of white sugar. Like I said, I'm not going to use white sugar. I'm going to use my brown sugar. And of course I can't find my 1/2 cup. So 1/3, quarter, be a 1/2 cup. Okay, brown sugar. 1/3 cup of flour. I'm going to use my King Arthur, and there's my cup in the bag. 1/3 cup of whole wheat flour. I'm not going to be precise, I don't care. And 1/4 cup. Whoops, there goes my stuff out of my cabinet. 1/4 cup, which is 4 tablespoons of butter. Okay. And 1/4 cup. Let me take that. Okay. Actually, I think I'm going to transfer this, and we're going to cube it up. Make sure your hands are washed, of course, before you do any cooking. Yeah, I'm gonna put this in a bigger bowl, so just so I can incorporate your cubed butter. Make sure it's cold. Oh, it's gonna melt. So cube that up. 1/4 cup. 4 tablespoons. Now this is just for the topping, so if you don't want topping, then go ahead and just omit it. You do not need it. Just more sugar and everything. Okay, then we're gonna put in. Now this is very healthy, of course. We all know cinnamon now is very healthy. Antioxidants, really good for you. 1½ teaspoons of cinnamon. So this is another good reason, I guess, to put the topping on, because you're getting some cinnamon. I'm going to do 1½ Again, not caring if it's perfect. Okay. Back. Butter. I'm going to transfer that to a larger bowl. And you can obviously use your fingers to make it crumble. I like to use my pastry brush. Just gonna make a topping. Oh, I'm sorry. Preheat your oven to 400, please. Okay. While you're doing this, preheat your oven so it's nice and hot when you're ready to put this in. Okay. I'm just gonna you may find it faster to use your fingers. I don't know. I don't really care for that. It gets all under the nails. I mean, if you don't have your nails on, or you have short nails, then good. Just try and get it really small, so you're getting all that butter in on top of all your muffins. Okay, you're gonna take your muffin tin and you're gonna spray it, or use your baking cups. Unfortunately, I don't have any baking cups. And the last time I did this, I sprayed it, but I'm going to spray it a lot better. A lot better this time, because the topping is very sticky, and it did make the muffins stick. You know, I got them out. They were mostly all intact. I mean, but the topping was on top. Okay, and I make a mess. As you know before, I'm a messy cook. Quick but messy. Okay. So I'm going to use olive oil. Of course, you use whatever pan, or they have that pan with the flour. And I'm going to take this over to